Hello everyone, welcome back to the ViewWizard official channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to DJ with Amazon Music on Rekordbox. If you are a Rekordbox user, you must know that the online music streaming sources on Rekordbox are Apple Music, Beatport Streaming, BeatSource Link, SoundCloud Go Plus, Tidal, and BPM Music. You can easily mix the music from those music streaming platforms. However, Amazon Music is not in the list. So any way to DJ with Amazon Music on Rekordbox, we can achieve it by downloading tracks from Amazon Music and uploading them to Rekordbox. So, how to transfer Amazon Music playlist to Rekordbox? You can employ ViewWizard Amazon Music Converter. Open ViewWizard on your desktop and go to the preferences to set the audio format and downloading path. We recommend you download the MP3 format, 19.2 kHz, and 24-bit to mix Amazon Music in high audio quality. Click OK icon to save the change. Head back to the ViewWizard initial interface and choose the music you want to download. Tap on the Add to List button to transfer them to the conversion list. Click Convert button, and ViewWizard will download them to your designated folders. Once ViewWizard finishes downloading, you can open Rekordbox. Go to File greater than Import Track folder to initiate the process. This action will prompt a dialog box. Browse to the directory housing your downloaded Amazon Music files. Select the desired folders and files, and proceed to open them. Upon importing a folder, Rekordbox will automatically scan and incorporate all compatible files. Return to the Rekordbox interface. Proceed to the collection section and review the imported music tracks. You can identify the music tracks by their artwork, artist name, and album name. To complete the importation process, right-click on Preview and select Analyze the track. And then you can start to mix Amazon Music on Rekordbox.